Hello everyone and welcome back to Edureka YouTube channel. Prince2 is a popular project management methodology that offers a structured approach for a successful project management. It is based on a set of principles, themes and processes that project managers follow throughout the project lifecycle. But before that, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tech content from Edureka. Also visit the Edureka website for training and certification courses, the link to which is in the description box below. Before we get started, I would like to address the agenda of today's session. We will begin the session by talking about what exactly is Prince2. It will be a brief introduction to Prince2 for the people who are new to this topic. We will discuss the various principles of Prince2, the multiple themes related to Prince2, and the various processes related to Prince2. And finally, we will take a look at the certification. I hope the agenda for today's session is clear. Without any further delay, let's get started. What is Prince2? Project in Controlled Environment is what Prince2 stands for. Prince2 is a project-based methodology that helps with developing the fundamental knowledge and ability needed to succeed as a project manager. The Prince2 project management methodology offers a structured framework for managing projects. It is based on 7 principles, 7 themes, and a set of processes. Now you know what exactly is Prince2. Now let us know more about Prince2. Prince2 is recognized as the most widely used project management methodology. Prince2 is the tool that many organizations require project managers to have. According to 88% of the project managers, Prince2 have helped them in their work because it is designed to assist both seasoned and beginner project managers in moving forward in their career. Now let's move on to the main topic, the 7 principles of Prince2. The Prince2 principles, the most widely used methodology, are designed to contribute to the project's success without causing any problems for the management. The subjects, method, and the product description serves as the project's final stage. Here are the 7 principles of Prince2. And our first principle is continued business justification. Project requires a valid business case to justify their creation and expansion. The business justification is reviewed on regular basis throughout the project to ensure its validity. Cost, benefits, risk, and alignment with organizational objectives should all be considered while developing the business case. Projects that needs a clear business justification are at risk for being cancelled or failing to provide value. Next, we have learn from experience. Prince2 encourages a systematic record of knowledge learned from previous projects. Lessons learned are documented and shared within the organization to help guide future projects. Learning from both success and failure allows project team to improve progress, avoiding the same mistake and improving project outcomes. Lessons learned are integrated into project planning and executed to promote continuous improvement. Moving on to defined roles and responsibility. Prince2 defines specific roles and responsibility for project management team. The project manager is in charge of the overall project delivery, while the project board provides oversight and decision-making authority. Clear roles and responsibility promotes accountability, enable effective communication, and streamline decision-making process. Each role have a specific responsibility, ensuring that everyone have understood their role and contribute to the project's success. Moving on to manage in stages. Projects are divided into manageable stages, each with their own goals, outcomes, and review points. Managing the project in stages improves control, risk management, and decision making. At the end of each stage, a review is conducted to evaluate progress and determine whether to move on to the next stage. Stage boundaries allows you to re-evaluate the project's life and make changes based on new information. Next, we have manage by exception. Prince2 establishes limits for critical parameters such as time, cost, quality, scope, and risk. Project managers are given the authority to make day-to-day decisions within these parameters. If tolerance is expected to be violated, a report called exception is generated, requesting action from the management to resolve this issue. Managing by exception enables senior managers to focus on decision while giving project manager the authority to handle routine tasks. Next, we have focus on products. Prince2 highlights the importance of defining and delivering high-quality products throughout the project lifecycle. Products are tangible outcomes, results, or documents that helps to achieve product objectives. Product descriptions specify the characteristics, quality standard, and acceptance requirement for each product. By focusing on products, project team ensures that deliverables meet the high quality standard and are in line with the stakeholders' requirements. And our last principle is tailor to suit the project environment. Prince2 is flexible and can be customized to meet the unique requirements, characteristics, and constraints of each project. Tailoring entails selecting and implementing Prince2 principles, themes, processes, and techniques in a manner that is appreciated. While tailoring, consider project scope, level of detail, industry, and legal constraints. Tailoring ensures that Prince2 remains relevant and applicable across a wide range of projects and environment, maximizing its effectiveness in achieving successful results. These principles taken together forms a strong framework for project management, guiding professionals in applying Prince2 methodologies to achieve project success in controlled environments. Now you have a clear picture of the 7 principles of Prince2. Let's move on to the 7 themes of Prince2. Prince2 defines 7 themes that represent aspects of project management that must be addressed constantly throughout the project life cycle. These themes ensure the key elements of project management continue to be addressed and managed. Here are the 7 Prince2 themes. And our first theme is business case. The business case theme focuses on establishing and maintaining the reason for carrying out the project. It entails defining the project objectives, anticipated benefit, cost, risk, and the reason for investing resources. The business case is reviewed and updated on regular basis to ensure that the project remains on track and in line with the organization objectives. Next, we have organization. The organizational theme determines the project structure, responsibilities, roles, and reporting line. It entails defining the key stakeholders, assigning project roles such as project manager and project board, and establishing communication channels. Clarity in project organization promotes accountability, effective communication, and decision making throughout the project. Moving on to quality. The quality theme focuses on ensuring that the project products and outcome meet the specific requirements and quality standards. It entails determining the quality and the acceptance requirements for each product, implementing quality assurance and control process, and also monitoring and reviewing the product quality throughout the project. Quality management aims to prevent defects, errors, and rework, resulting in products that meets the stakeholders' expectation. And our next theme is plans. Plans theme entails creating and maintaining plans that direct how a project should be carried out, monitored, and controlled. It entails developing various levels of plans such as project plans, stage plans, and team plans, and also outlining activities, resources, and schedules. Plan serves as a roadmap for project delivery, allowing for effective resource management and timely decision making based on plan progress. Moving forward, we have risk. The risk theme focuses on identifying and managing potential risks to the project objectives. It entails systematically identifying potential risks, assessing their livelihood and impact. Risk management seeks to minimize the negative changes of uncertainty on project while maximizing opportunity of project success. Next, we have change. The change theme focuses on the need to manage changes to the project scope, requirements, plans, and baseline documents. It entails establishing change control, evaluating proposed changes, and carrying out approved changes in a controlled manner. Change management ensures that the changes are thoroughly evaluated, authorized, and communicated to stakeholders in order to reduce change and maintain project alignment. And our last theme is progress. The progress theme focuses on tracking and controlling the project's performance against the baseline plan. It entails tracking progress, assessing mistakes from the plan, identifying issues and errors. Progress monitoring provides visibility into the project status, helping in resources and risk management, and allowing for timely decision making to keep the project on track. These 7 themes provide an extensive structure for managing key aspects of project management throughout the project lifecycle, ensuring that the projects are effectively planned, executed, monitored, and controlled to achieve their goals. Now, we will discuss about the 7 processes of Prince2. Prince2 is a set of processes that guides project management from beginning to closure. These processes provide a step-by-step approach to project management, ensuring that the tasks are completed on regular basis. Below are the 7 Prince2 processes. Our first process is starting a project. Starting up a project process is a pre-project phase that evaluates the project flexibility and visibility. Appointing the project management team, defining the project objectives, preparing the project brief, and establishing the project management approach are all the important steps. The process produced the project shot, which consists a high-level overview of the project as well as the start of the plan. Moving on to directing a project. Directing a project involves authorized project initiation, execution, and closure. Provide an HOC direction as needed, approve stage or execution plans. And our next process is initiating a project. Beginning a project process sets a solid foundation for the project and ensure that all stakeholders understand and agree on its objective, scope, and approach. Key activities include identifying project management approach, developing detailed plan from start and following phases, conduct risk assessment, and creating project initiation documentation. The PID summarizes the key project information such as business case, project organization, and management strategy, and it is used as a reference throughout the project. Moving on, we have controlling the stage. Controlling a stage process focuses on managing the work at each stage of the project. Authorizing the stage, tracking progress against the stage plan, dealing with issues and risk, and reporting to the project board are all critical tasks. The project manager is in charge of the stage day-to-day operations, ensuring that the work is completed as planned. Next, we have manage product delivery. Managing product delivery process coordinates the creation and the delivery of the project products, accepting work packages from the project manager, ensuring that the work is completed in accordance with the specification, providing feedback on completed work, and arising issues as needed are all critical activities. Team manager oversees the production and the delivery of the products within their areas of expertise, ensuring that they meet the quality standards and arrive on time. Then we have managing the stage boundary. Managing a stage boundary process takes place at the end of each stage and focuses on planning the next stage and obtaining approval to move forward. Key activities include reviewing current stage performance, updating the project plan to the next stage, preparing the stage end reports, and obtaining project board approval to move forward to the next stage. This process ensures that the project remains on track within the objectives and that any necessary changes are made before moving on to the next phase. And our last process is closing a project. Closing a project process establishes the project closure while also ensuring that all activities are completed and the project objectives are met. Key activities include ensuring that all products are being delivered and accepted, conducting project review, preparing the project closure notification, and transferring the project products to the operational environment. Once the project closure activities are completed, the project is formally closed and resources are made available for additional projects. These 7 processes provide a structured approach to project management, ensuring that the projects are effectively planned, executed, monitored, and controlled to achieve their goals in a controlled environment. I hope now you have a clear picture about the 7 principles, 7 themes, and 7 processes. Now let's move on to the certification. Prince2, Project in Controlled Environment, provide a structured certification program to evaluate individual project management skills using the Prince2 methodology. Prince2 Foundation and Practitioner Certification course, which is provided by Edureka. Edureka's Prince2 Certification training provides insights into project management framework by teaching a thorough understanding of integrated principles, elements, themes, and processes. The Prince2 syllabus aligns with the 7th edition guide. Our Prince2 training will help you master the Prince2 methodology, the skills, and the techniques needed to ensure project success. Prince2, a leading project management methodologies, include 7 principles, themes, and processes that guides project execution and also provides an extensive structure for successful project planning, execution, and control. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and keep learning.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!